So we've got a new Sprinter van heading out the door tomorrow, and this one's really fun on the interior. I wanted to just do a quick walkthrough of the floor plan, some of the finishes we selected. Really nice texture in this van. We used a dark amber base cabinetry finish, and that tied in, I think, really well with the darker walls. We don't really usually, use very dark walls in our builds. With all of our LED lighting, it's all dimmable. You can really set a really nice tone inside the van and be really comfortable. We did a little bit of accent with the walnut table, and the black countertop, I think, is probably one of my favorite elements here. So this is a black Phoenix, and it's a solid core laminate. So inside, we have our 60-centimeter rib seat. So this turns into a bed. We get about 6 feet with the front seat spun around. Flip up extension for the galley. And what we've done on this van, which we don't do a ton, is we've flipped the orientation of the sink and the cooktop. So we put the sink more towards the entry, the slider door, and the cooktop towards the back of the van with a nice stainless backsplash. Nice fixtures in here. So with our foam inserts, we've got all of our knives, anti-rattle, everything's CNC cut. We did our trays as well. The nice knife set, and those are all magnetic, held down quite nice. Fun feature in this van, which we do every now and again, is the pull-out step for the bed rather than a ladder. So that allows you to get in and out of the bed. It's locks. We put a nice little release on it. Tucks totally out of the way, so it just gets rid of the sort of, cumbersome ladder that we typically use. Coffee maker, gotta have that. Use the Breville grind control, I like this one. If you're into drip coffee. Towards the back, a couple new products with the Alvan's Monster Box, 1-up racks, the Alvan's B2, which gives a lot of different configuration for a box like this, or if you wanted to change it out in the wintertime for a ski box, you could do something like that. And of course, our signature badge in the rear. Pretty sweet garage. What we're known for is having our space for all of our gear. Gear tray, tons of room to stack bins and bikes inside the garage without sacrificing any storage space.